This is my video on how to restore plastics. It's full of scratches. You start out with some 80 grit sandpaper. Just wet it, rub everywhere. It'll take a while, but it gets all the scratches out eventually. You just got to keep going. I just do sections like that section, that section, that section, that section, that section, then this part. You want all the little scratches out with the 80 grit sandpaper. And just sand it that way at this stage. Just little scratches like that. You want them all out. Like. There's a deep one there. That's all out. And just check for deep scratches. All these need to be took out. And I'm going to go to a 60 grit now, just to get the deeper scratches out, what I couldn't get out. And then rub it down so you can see any scratches better, because when it's wet you can't see them. All the deep ones are out. There's that one there, I can't get that out. I might have to give another bit of sand on there. I don't know if it's all the way through. That's it all sanded down now. You'll be able to see light marks off the sandpaper, but don't worry about them, they'll all come out. And then I get the 100 grit and go over it a few times. And then get the 400 grit and just go over it. Trying to get all the little scratches out, what's left off the other sandpaper. Then dry it off, go over it with the 800, go in a circular motion now. Just if you see any little scratches or anything, just go around, but they're all nearly smoothed all out now, there's none nowhere. Then get 1500, wet it and go over it again for 10-20 minutes. Then dry it off. Check for any deep scratches or anything like that, so it's all smooth like. And then we're gonna finish it off now with the 2000 grit. It's nearly done. About 10-20 minutes. I've given it a sand with the 2000. And most of all the little scratches will be out now. Now we're going to dry it. You'll be able to see if there's any more scratches left what I've missed, but they all seem to be gone. I'm going to dry it now, then polish it. And that's it all dried now. There's no little scratches, you can't really see. A little nick there what I've missed there, but that doesn't matter. Now I'm going to polish it up. Then I put this on instead of buffing it. Just give it a rub down. It'll be like that until all the autosol dries, and rub it off with a good cloth. We want like a sort of shine like this here on this part. And just keep rubbing the autosol off. It's dull. You want like a sock or something, cut a cotton cloth to do it. Like I'm using bog roll to take the autosol off. We'll be polishing it up soon with a nice dry cloth. And just rub the autosol off. You've got to be rub it for a while and kind of hard to get it all off, and it does start to shine back up. And that's it, done, all polished. Nice shine on it. It would be better in daylight, you could see it more, but you can see the shine on that there. And I've done that today as well. It's only done around that area. You can't see the shine on it. It's better than what it was. It was all white. It's just a rough, quick one. This what I've done, but it's worth doing when you can't find these plastics because they don't make them anymore. So you've got to restore them. Alright, thanks for watching.